Yeah, when x equals 0,
Okay.
what is y? So x equals 0, so you can replace 4 times
Times
0 instead
0
of 4 times
to
x.
0.
And if you solve this, it becomes 0 minus 12.
Mm-hmm. But doesn't it say x equals 2 on number 3?
Number 3? Oh, that's asking. So
Uh-huh.
to understand this, you have to know that uh, graph isn't just 1 point or 2 point. It's most of the time it's an infinite number of points, right? So every single point that's on this line is also a part of the graph. So there are points where x can equal to 0, and there's points where x can equal to 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so all these points combined make the graph. So
Yeah.
x doesn't have to be 2 for every time you solve.
Oh.
Here, let's find it using rise over run.
Mm-hmm.
So you find 2 points on the graph. Let's use 0, comma, -2,
Yeah.
and 2, comma, 1, because they match up nicely. I don't want to use
Yeah.
fractions for this. Well, I can, but it just will be more complicated. And you
Yeah.
can pick any one of these to go first. You put the y value in front, so it's this one. And minus, and then this y value. But since this is a negative, you have to make sure to separate this.
Mm-hmm.
And you also put the x values, this one first, and then
Uh-huh.
minus this one.
Yeah.
So you said you learned a bit of negative numbers. I'm not sure if
Yeah.
you've covered this, but a negative minus a negative number is a plus. Yeah. And this is just 2. So the slope becomes 1 over 2. So to adjust this, you just have to
Mm-hmm.
make it go down by 2 every time instead of just 1.
Yeah.
So for this example, it goes down by, well, it goes up by -1. You should say, like, mathematically. And it
Mm-hmm.
goes and it runs 1.
Yeah.
So the slope would be -1. But if you want
Oh.
to make it -2, you should make a line like this. Sorry, it's not straight. Then using this point, you can see that every time you run 1, it
Mm-hmm.
goes, it rises -2, or just goes down 2.
Mm.
So since it's rise over run, the slope becomes -2. So just make it a bit steeper.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.